Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know who this is, Mr. Don't Know It All, and I appreciate y'all stopping by. I am not a financial advisor. I just do these videos for entertainment purposes, and I love connecting with you guys in the comments below. Listen, today we're going to be talking about a few stocks that I think will do great in another pandemic spike if we have one again. Just like we did earlier this year, these stocks did great throughout the pandemic. Also, these stocks as well too for the election for the next couple of months, because we know that even if Biden wins or Trump wins, Trump still has the office till January. So I think these stocks will do great. Also, before we get into it, guys, go ahead and give me an early thumbs like. Deposit some likes on this video. Help this video get out. Help me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you enjoy what I'm doing. Let's grow this channel to more than 250, but that's the next milestone, 250. So we can do the $50 giveaway. And go ahead and comment below. Let me know what your growth stocks are or your pandemic stocks are, because these are going to be mine. A few of mine, or a few of the ones that I think are going to do great. So let's get into the video. Alright guys, so even though the market is about 70% green, 60% green today, I don't think you should be investing a lot today. I'm thinking tomorrow is going to be more of a red day because it's election day, so I think you're going to have a better buying opportunity tomorrow. Just like I did my video on Friday where we had a massive red day, I think that was a huge chance for you to buy stocks. I went ahead and bought Tesla because it dipped down further than 10%, which was my game plan for it. I got around 385. Apple also dipped to about 107, 106, which I got it at that price as well too. Apple, I've been wanting to buy it around that 124 earlier this month, but I didn't. I bought that at around 106, and right now it's at 107. But I don't think that you should be putting a lot of money into it just today or tomorrow. Wait throughout the week and see what happens. I think it's going to be better buying opportunities to buy. Have a game plan for what stocks you want to buy and what's been on your waiting list, and pounce on that, jump on it, and make sure you get the stock that you want. Okay, so let's start off with Apple. As far as this pandemic stock, I think it's a great stock to have during a pandemic, or even some of these troubles that we're having. March, when we were having all those lockdowns, it dipped to 56 from a $80 high, but throughout the whole years you can tell it's just been rising and rising. We went back to 88. It dipped down a little bit to 92, and then right at the stock split, that's when it dipped again, and it was around 124 that I've been wanting to buy it, and I finally got it when it dipped down to about 106, 107 Friday when I made my video and told you guys to buy it. So I think Apple's a great one to have there, and they actually just announced it, and one more thing event, which is November 10th. They just announced it a couple of minutes ago, so I think this is the type of stuff that you want to have. Companies that are throughout the pandemic are going to survive, or you're going to do just fine. People are going to be buying more Apple products, Macs, iPhones, tablets to work from home, because a lot of people are switching from in-store positions to home positions, in-office positions to home positions. That's a great stock to have, in my opinion. And then let's look at the next one, NEO. Listen, I've been talking about NEO. I've made plenty of videos about it. I've been telling y'all to buy NEO. It was going to shoot up, and listen, it did that. I mean, look at this. Even the 5-day chart, 27, and the other day, Friday, we hit 34. So I think it's going to be another great opportunity to buy as well too. Friday, you were looking at 30. Sorry, I said Friday, I meant Monday, 34. But you're looking at this right here. $30 Friday when everything was ready, still had a great day compared to other stocks, right? So I think this is a great stock to have, because it's not going to get affected that much by the U.S. election, by the pandemic, because China is handling the pandemic a whole lot better than we are. China has a much bigger EV market than the rest of the world. China is backing this company. The government and state-owned companies are backing up this company. So I think this is a great stock to have right now. You have analysts saying, hey, the price target on it is 33. It's at 33 already. You have other people saying 40. It's going to be at 40. Or you have people saying 44. I think before March of next year, it's going to be in that $40 range, especially with these deliveries that they're doing, the amounts that they're doing with the new vehicle they're going to announce. Then they also have NEO Day and the battery swaps. I think this is a great stock to have, okay, in your portfolio. And if you're asking, is this too high to get into it? I don't believe so. In my personal opinion, I do not believe it's too high to buy in. I bought this when it was at 5. I sold it. I've been saying that, but I bought in again. Average cost about 26. So I'm up on this company real well. I'm looking to buy some more. But be looking for the dip. Even though it's at 33 right now, Don't fret, because I think it might dip again. Just be on the lookout. I don't think it's going to dip much, but I mean, we know that the last one was around 30, so we could hit that again and stock up on it. Get you some shares on this one. It's going to go big. I'll do another video of this later on this week as well too. Then Salesforce. This sucker right here has been on the rampage as well too since March. You can tell the growth right here. I mean, look at this. Steadily climbing up and down, up and down. This is what you want to see in a healthy growth stock. You don't want to shoot it up all of a sudden and then go down. This is what you want to see on there. And we got a huge surge on September 1st for 281. And then it's been down a little bit. Salesforce is a company, cloud-based software company. We use them in my job to put in leads for customers, people that want to buy stuff but don't buy that day. We put in leads, and it goes through Salesforce, and they connect with the company and the people. It's a great company to have in your portfolio, especially for pandemic stock on there. I really like Salesforce. The other one, Peloton, exercise. Hey, if you can't go outside to the gyms and exercise, Peloton is your best friend. Not only for that, but also your best friend as a stock, because it's done the same thing since March. It has just steadily gone up. You know, I mean, look at this. $19 in March, $28.35, up and down. The same thing as Salesforce, a stock that's a healthy growth stock that goes just up and down throughout the whole year. Doesn't take a huge jump, but just up and down. We hit highs of 136 in October 15th. We're at 112, so it's dipped. It's a great opportunity to buy Peloton right now. It's going to continue to go up just because we're having more lockdowns in Europe, in Australia. We might get more lockdowns here. Who knows? Depends on who wins. Depends on the governments as well, too. The governor, of each state. But I think we might have another lockdown, and I think Peloton is going to take off again. So get into this play as well too. I really like this company for a pandemic stock, for a growth stock. It's going to be going up again. I really encourage you to get this one as well too. The next one is Roku. Roku, the same thing for Roku. Look at this. March 63, but it's gone up. I mean, look at this. 123 to 60. I mean, this is ridiculous how well this company has been doing, right? They're the biggest streaming platform out there, beating Apple, beating Netflix, as far as, being able to give you all the streaming services. This is the best one. I don't have a Roku. I personally have an Apple TV, but that's because I'm basically an Apple fanboy. I have everything Apple. But a lot of people love Roku, and it's one of the bigger video streaming platforms out there. The highest 238. Right now it's a 205. I think it's a great opportunity to buy on this dip. These are great companies for pandemic stocks to have, and in case we go into another lockdown, in case we have another huge spike, this is another great company as well too, because these right here won't be affected by the pandemic, because we don't need people to be out and about for these to be climbing on there. These are all great pandemic stocks. And of course you got your Netflix on there, right? Now Netflix 336 in March. The same thing. All these that I've been showing you have steadily gone up throughout the year. I mean, we had a high of 525. And of course, you have that whole little thing about that movie they came out with about the cheerleading squad that nobody liked, and a lot of people canceled their subscription. So their stock took a dip, but we're at 479 right now. 541 October 14th. So in about 3 weeks, it dipped down. I still think it's a great buy. I think it's another company that's going to keep going up. Netflix has been around. They're going to always know how to innovate. They're going to know what shows to produce, movies to produce, to get people out there. It's a great company to have as well too. So yeah, guys, these are the stocks that I consider to be pandemic stocks, to be stocks that will carry you out if we're in another lockdown. So definitely look into investing in these stocks. I think they are great. Comment down below. Let me know if you have any of these stocks in your portfolio. Let me know if you're thinking about getting any of these stocks in your portfolio. And let me know if you have NIO and what you think about NIO is going, because this is very exciting. People are calling this the next Tesla. Some people are saying it's going to be better than Tesla, especially because China is giving you great credits and to buy NIO cars over there in China. So let me know what you're thinking about all these pandemic stocks. Elections tomorrow. Get out there and vote. Whether you vote for Biden or Trump, get out there and vote. And have a wonderful rest of your Monday. I appreciate it, guys. Hey everyone, I appreciate y'all sticking through the end of the video. For the ones that did, go ahead and deposit some likes on this video. Let's get this video out to as many people as possible. Let's beat that YouTube algorithm by depositing some likes. And comment down below. Let me know what you think about the growth stocks that I mentioned or your pandemic stocks that you have. Let me know what your play is for the next couple of months. Also, I'm itching to give these $50 away. I want to give it away, but we have to get to 250 subscribers, okay? Once we hit 1,000, once we hit 2,000, we're not going to stop giving money away. This is my way of showing you guys that I appreciate y'all taking time out of your day to watch my videos. It's my way to give back to y'all as well too, so you can take your family out for a good dinner or put gas in the truck or buy some socks. It's my way of showing you appreciation. I really do appreciate everything y'all do. And like always, guys, lights out.